Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Jira for UI issue tracking and handoffs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the official Jira website. Look for the Get Started or Try for Free button. Click on the button to access the registration page. Fill in your details, including email address and password. Select the type of project you will be managing with Jira. After completing the registration, check your email for a verification link. Click the verification link to activate your account. Once activated, log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, choose to create a new project. Select the UI issue tracking template from the available options. Click Next to continue with the project setup. Name your project something relevant, like UI issue tracker. Set the project key to a concise abbreviation of your project name. Specify what team or users will have access to this project. Once configured, click Create Project to finalize. Now you'll be taken to your new project dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, focusing on issue creation. To create an issue, locate and click on the plus or create button. Choose the type of issue, such as a bug, task, or story. Fill in the necessary details for the issue, including title and description. Attach any relevant files or screenshots if needed. Assign the issue to the appropriate team member. Set priority levels and due dates accordingly. Once completed, click the Create button to save the issue. For handing off tasks, use the Assign feature to delegate work. Communicate changes through comments, tagging relevant team members. Utilize the dashboard filters to categorize and track issues effectively. You can also set up notifications for updates on issues. Explore additional features like sprints and boards for workflow management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.